Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Ads Manager. Click the campaign and open the ad set where you want the new audience. Once there, scroll to the Audience section and choose Create New or Pick Saved. Make sure you have the right account permissions and billing active because you need access to save and use audiences. Now, select the basic controls, location, age, gender, so you have a concrete starting point. This speeds later refinement and ensures your ad serves to relevant people. Next, construct the audience. Decide why you want custom versus lookalike versus detailed targeting, because each serves different goals: retargeting, expansion, or interest-based reach. Once decided, enter locations, age range, and genders, then add interests, behaviors, and languages to shape intent. Use exclusions to remove existing customers or irrelevant segments, and layer criteria to tighten fit without shrinking reach too much. As you adjust, watch the estimated audience size. Make changes until the size matches campaign. Once satisfied, give the audience a clear name and click Save. Then apply it to the ad set and duplicate the set for a /B testing if needed. Launch a short test run and monitor delivery metrics, CPM, CTR, and conversion rates to confirm the audience behaves as expected. If ads don't deliver, troubleshoot by checking audience size, too small, billing status, pixel event activity, and accidental exclusions. Make incremental changes and retest. This iterative approach prevents wasted spend and improves targeting precision.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.